o'clock in the morning. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya.
Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. It's this style here. Don't you guys think it is so adorable? I accomplished this look using Marley hair. You guys know I absolutely love my Marley styles, and I know that you do too, so I thought I would bring you something real quick and easy. Hopefully you guys stay for the tutorial. Let's get into it. Okay guys, we're gonna make this quick because this is so simple. What we're doing now, we've parted our hair down the middle, and I'm going to use some water to really get those products moving again. I'm going to brush my hair up into a ponytail. I did add a little eco styling gel around my edges so I could slick down, you know, those hairs, those flyaways. But yeah, we pretty much pulled the hair up into a ponytail on each side, and we rolled it into those little tight buns that I like to do anytime that I know I'm covering my hair using some extensions or any sort of hair. Very simple, told ya. When you do those buns, make sure that you do them very close together. Like, that actually matters in this style. One, two, three, four. Is this 4 strands or 5 strands? This is 4 strands that I'll be using. What I'm doing right now is I'm gonna take one of these little mini rubber bands. Hopefully this is enough hair, but I think it will be. So I'm gonna wrap that around there. Just like that. We have 4 strands. I'm gonna grab 4 more for the other side. Okay, so what we want to do starting out is we want to twist. Look at how I look, y'all. The heck? What am I thinking? Okay, I'm going to take this piece right here. So I'm basically doing this right here. And I'm going to pin a piece right there around my bun. So that's going to make it easier for me to cover that bun, in my opinion. So it's like this now. See what I just did? And I'm going to take that over here, and I'm going to pin it that same exact way. You want to kind of open it up a little bit when you pin it. Yeah. And I'm going to take it around the back. Bring it back around. And you can kind of stand that one up a little bit. And pin it again. And go over there again. I took it underneath. And I'm going to pin it here and tuck. I'm going to go right here to the middle because you see how that is. I'm going to fold that down and I'm going to pin my hair right here. So do you see the way that looks? It's so cute, isn't it? And it's very realistic looking. That's why I didn't use a whole lot of hair for it. I find that Issa Rae wears a lot of Marley styles, but they don't use a whole lot of hair in order to make it look more natural when she's on the show. Did you guys see her on the cover of that magazine? What magazine is it again? I'm horrible considering I mentioned it, but she looks really pretty. I had checked her out, see if she had any styles I might want to try, but she had braids. So, once I'm done twisting, I'm basically going to do the same exact thing that I just did. I'm gonna go right here. And I'm going to pin that right in there. The only difference is we have to cover those buns. It sounds so crazy. I hate when I have to say cover those buns. But yeah, we do have to cover the top of the buns. So we need to take it up top this time rather than, you know, taking it across. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm thinking I may need another pin right there. Before I start here. And when I go up here, I wanna open it up so that it comes, you know, it folds over those little buns that I have up there. And I just want to start bobby pinning. Very well. And you can really just feel your way around, in all honesty. And then look at the way things, you know, I'm kind of connecting them as well. So like pulling those together and stuff like that, you know. I'll let you feel and see. I would probably pull these two together and pin it. And let's see the way it's looking. I like the way it's looking. That little piece that came loose. I'm going to pin right here. And I'm going to connect one of those that are wrapped around. And now I have to think about the back. Like, how does the back look right now? So I'm going to open that twist up. And I'm going to pin here through that knot. Filling around to make sure that my knot is covered. Do I have any holes? I feel like I may have a hole right here. So I'm going to make sure that I fill that in by connecting the two and pinning. I feel like this is flapping, so I'm also going to put a bobby pin there in the middle. Now I'm here and I'm going to open that up some more. I'm gonna open that twist up just a little bit.
and do something like this. Yeah. See what I did? So it's like this. I'm gonna take this piece and pull it down and pin it. Because y'all know that I did pin a piece over there, so we want to kind of make it look like we've tried to follow the same steps somewhat. Yeah, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm taking that twist, and now we just have to pin everything in place, and we're done. So I'm gonna pin this here. Is my back okay? My back is okay. So we don't need anything else in the back, so therefore we can add everything to the front. Yeah, and that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna do it just like that, and I'm gonna tuck it. Now all I have to do is pin those in place. Don't y'all love these type of styles? There's like no set look. You're just freestyling pretty much. My stomach's growling. Okay. Gonna pin that. I'm also going to pin up here. I don't know why I'm not really feeling the way that these two are looking. Up here, feel like there's a bit of a hole there. Try to do a little lifting in the process. And that's it, baby. I think this is really cute. I would maybe pull some down on the side, but I'll leave that up to you. She's cute. What do you guys think? Let me know, let me know. And I really was sitting here and I just thought of this and I was like, that's what we're gonna do. I've done that style before, but I did it with my own hair. But we're gonna do it with Marley hair. I'm gonna stop acting silly. It is 1:50 and I still have to edit these videos because I have 2 to put out today. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Y'all, like, my videos are watched, but 80% of my views are from non-subscribers. So guys, subscribe. Click that notification bell so you can be notified of the 3-4 times that I do post a month. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.